Wow. That was a steep climb.
I heard something too.
It's like they're mapping out how they're going to build the house with corn.
Turn around.
Here we are currently in DanBa in Western Sichuan. We went to go on a little adventure in the mountains. It just started to rain. As you can see, it's really coming down. Most of the thing. So what we're hoping to get to, that is what we're hoping to get to.
What's that?
So she said this one has a profound history.
So this watchtower here is actually over 1,000 years old. It's called the Gonghai Watchtower.
这雨下今天会长吗？不下的。哦。啊，对对对，不用了，不用了，不用了，谢谢您啊。这有垃圾箱吗？能帮我扔下这个吗？
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
More light up here.
Like it?
Good.
They make her literally to
Wow. That was a steep climb.
Oh my God, there's more.
Yeah, I'd say there's at least 2 more.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. There's more.
Ooh. Oh, fuck.
Oh, yeah, North Path is kind of tough.
Up the next one. Jesus Christ, this thing. That's cool little. What?
What were they watching for?
I don't know. Cool window here though.
Oh, I have to climb back down all this.
Yeah.
Who was that?
Nothing. No one.
I think someone said hello, but maybe from down.
Yeah, somebody did say hello.
Keep going. Maybe it's haunted.
It's a ghost.
Oh, maybe someone's up here.
Oh, 真是有人在上面的。声音从哪儿来的？你回看。
不是鬼吗？
没有啊，是人呢。
哦。
就是下雨是打上来的，从那个路上走过来。
是的。
哎，你好，你好。
嗨 ，hello。刚上去我也想拍来着，我手机瞬间没电，
哦。
然后我就用相机补拍了，然后我就站在那里，我背都被淋湿了。
对。
我上去那一下雨超大的。
这是露天的。
对啊，是个露天的。
现在还下雨吗 ？OK，
现在
我们走
雨小一点，
到过来，
我觉得
可能要
你们可以上
上去
去。。
开车吗？
没有。
哦。
Oh wow！
应该是在这边。
对，就从那个下面站。
Oh.
I told you there's somebody talking to us.
I thought it was a ghost.
What? Like,
Hello. Wow. Here we are at the top of this 1,000-year-old watchtower. It's crazy. How many steps, how many levels was that? 8? 10?
More than 10, I think.
Wow. Still raining. Most of the floor is also just made of some wood, some like this, with branches and a bunch of dirt just packed in.
sun's coming out. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
现在好像没下雨。
小
没呀，
多了
你，上来呀。
小很多。
还有也开始出来
你看那个最
了。
大的那个快都被淋湿了。
Have a look at that corn down there.
哇，这个就是有千年历史的碉楼啊！
It's like they're mapping out how they're going to build the house with corn. Rainbow.
A real rainbow.
天哪，雨过天晴了，那边居然出现彩虹了耶！这不
So
下
now we'll start our descent as the sun comes out.
You think
这
we
个
see
地方可
the
以拍。
Join us in the next one. Until then.